Assalamu alaikum everyone, good morning and have a wonderful blessed day. Warmly welcome you on HM Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today we are working on ICOM IC-F3003 handheld radio. This is a military standard handheld radio, and I show you, look this. This is ICOM 3003 radio. So these are the battery terminals of this radio, and this is on off plus volume switch here with this is, and this one is channel switch. This is a 16 channel, this is a 16 channel handheld radio like this, and this is antenna connector, and this is for RX TX indication light, and at this side this one is PTT switch, these two function switches here, and the mic of this radio is here, and this is the speaker area, and this is battery catcher, as you can see, and BP264 battery you can use with this radio. So at first we check this radio, attach the power supply terminal with the battery terminals, and check what is the problem inside this radio. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. So at first we set our meter on this 20 volts range, and check our power supply terminal. Now I check the power supply terminals voltage. Power supply voltage are 7.4 volts, and this is the recommended battery volts for the radio set, and this one is positive and this one is negative for this radio. As you can see, the left one is the positive. So attach this red terminal here, and this negative terminal attach at this on the right side. So switch on this radio. No RX, no TX, no beep sound, no squelch. So this is a dead radio. As you can see, this one is the faulty and dead radio. So at first we open this cover and separate the board from chassis and check what is the problem. So at first, with a flat screwdriver, pull up these knobs. This is the channel knob, put this here, and this one is the volume knob, and a little bit pull, and will be separate these two knobs. And now with this key, open this antenna ring nut, as you can see. Look this, put this here, and now you can see here are two screws. To use flips screwdriver to open these two screws. And like this. This is separate now. here is a gasket over here to protect this, and now as you can see, here is, look this, very important, I show you this thing. This check is very sensitive, so carefully separate this one, carefully separate this jack. So now we separate this board from chassis first, and then we check what is the problem with this board. Right now I'm going to separate this chassis and board. Open these screws with the flip screwdriver. As you can see, now open these ring nuts with this key. Here, and now use this iron to separate this board. So this board is separate now, and put this chassis here, and now at first we attach this board with the power supply terminals, and see, but at first at here solder a wire, because directly we can't attach this power supply terminal. So wait a moment. Now we attach this piece of wire here to connect the power supply terminal with the board, because directly power supply terminal can't be attached here. So now this is ready. We attach this power supply terminal here with the battery power supply terminal of the radio, and set your meter at 20 volt DC range here on the dial. Look this is the 20 volt DC range. So at first check the volt here, 7.4 volts are here, and now you must check the power line here. Trace the power line now. Volts are coming or not, so volts are coming here, and again and check here, volts are coming. After the battery terminal, volts are coming at this side here, at this side, on yes, volts are coming, and now must check at this side the trace the power line and see where is the problem. If I show you in close look, so here are few regulators. Must check these regulators. The problems can be here. Oh yes, the volts are coming. Yes, volts are coming. And here is this one. This one is the regulator for the main the CPU. So this is this one is the regulator. This is providing volt to this CPU, so must check this. And I think the problem is here because volts are not here, in between some problem there, any fuse or CPU volts are not proper or coming here. So the problem is here in this side. Any fuse, maybe resistor or something else can be, or any regulator can be faulty. So I show you as easy for you. Look this. This is the regulator, and as mentioned over the board here, if you can see, CPU 5 volts. So must check this. Now at first I solder these some points, those dry solders, and remove the dry soldering first. Now this is the PTT switch, very important in any radio. Now I am going to show you how to trace power line. At first you can check the meter. 7.39 volts are coming, and on this 6.74 are coming, yes. And this regulator is fine, and you can now check here and again here at this regulator. Yes, at this stage the volts are no problem with the volts here, and yes, working. Check at this. Somewhere I think the power line is break, because at here I show you again in a close look. At here must be 5 volts here, must be 5 volts, but as you can see no volts showing here. And at this point no volts, but here when 5 volts are we can manage 5 volts here, and this radio will on. So I show you here. This point is for 5 volts, so 5 volts are coming here, as you can see on the meter. Sorry, because meter is not clear. Now Now I show you at this point the 5 volts are coming, and again I show you. Look this, as mentioned over the board, power. If I can show you here, as you can see, this is power mentioned over the board. So easy, this is very easy. Everything is mentioned on the board. And look this, 5 volts, 5 volts here, and all other things, as you can see, ATX, ETP, mute, side, and all the things are mentioned over this board. So here and here something is missing or broken, or if any fuse in between these 2 points, so we remove that part and replace with new one. And if I can't, so we establish an extra link here in between these 2 points. I show you. Let me check in detail, and then I show you. Now I'm showing you the other side of the radio. As you can see, this board is very easy, because all the things are mentioned over here on the board. As I can if I can show you, look this, 5 volts points and other points are mentioned over here on this board. So this is the board in a closed look, battery and volume switch area, and this one, and this is the speaker output jack and audio area, and as you can see, this is the mic of this microphone of this handheld radio, and this is the PLL circuit here, and this is the external oscillator here, crystal, and so this is the other side of the board. To show you, everything is mentioned over here on this board. These 2 are audio or mic jacks, hands-free, using for the hands-free. Now if I can show you a very small and tiny resistor here, open near this very tiny small resistor here inside. Look this one is open and not working, and this is a fuse type resistance. Look this one, and I short or replace this, and then I show you is it working or not. So at first, with a small piece of wire, you can take from the sheet wire, and because that is a fuse type resistor, so you can easily change this. So this is a 5 volt line damage here. So I can show you with this glass. The fuse type resistance that was open, I showed that. And now we check here the volts are coming or not. Again, we attach this board with the power supply terminals and again check now. In a close look I show you, if I can show you. So must watch the meter, and at this point at first volts were not coming. Now check again, the volts are coming or not on this. Yes, volts are coming, and I show you here at this point the volts are coming. If I can show you, I show you in a close look again. Now this is a look this at this point. Again I show you, if I can show you here, the volts are at this point. Now you can check on the meter at this side. Now I show you, put this here, and you can see, as you can watch over the meter, 5 volts and at this point. Now this radio is working now, and again I show you, look this. Now meter is more clear and visible on these 2 points. The 5 volts are coming for the CPU volts, and now I think this board is ready, and I show you, put this here, and as you can see, the LED light is blinking. So this board is, I think, ready, and I show you how to check the power, RF power of this radio with the RF power and frequency counter. I show you, have a look. This is the frequency counter and RF power meter, GY 561 frequency and power meter, and BNC connector here, over here, and I attach the wire here to check the board output power, and put this here and attach this wire here on the antenna terminal. I show you, just a moment. Just a moment. Now as you can see in a close look, and I show you how to check the frequency and power of RF power of this handheld radio. I attach this antenna connector, this wire with the antenna connector. Now I push this now I am going to push this PTT switch, and Just a moment, because as you can see now, I am pressing this. Look this, 138.925 is the frequency and 4.4 watts output. I show you again. Now as I press this PTT switch, look this, 138.934 and 4.5 or 4.4 watts is the power of this board. So this is the simply at this way you can check the power supply and the power RF power of this radio with the RF power meter. So wait a moment, now I am going to fix this board on the chassis and show you how it is working. Now at first disconnect this power supply terminal and this one from the board, and now separate this wire from board with the help of iron, as you can see. Now this wire has been removed, and now I fix this board with the chassis and put this over here and check these two connectors. This is the antenna terminal, or this one is for the battery terminal. Now fix this board over this chassis and tight all the screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Now screws have been tight, and now I fix this hands-free jack here, and now I show you how to soldering these two points, antenna plus this one especially. Now I am going to look this. This is the power supply terminal, and this one is for antenna terminal. So as you can see, solder these points carefully. Look this. Now I am going to solder this board and attach the power terminals to this. Look this, and this is attached now, and now fix with this. Look this, but before fixing this one, must tie these two ring nuts here and fix over here, and must use this key to fix these two ring nuts, and as you can see, these two ring nuts are fixed and tight now. And put this here, and now you can fix this jack here. Look this jack carefully attached with this one, as you can see. Now look this, here are a few rubbers and gaskets for the volume channel and the antenna ring nut. So push a little bit inside and fix this radio. Now I tight these two screws here, back side of the chassis, and fix this radio body cover. So the body cover of this radio is fixed now, and put this antenna ring nut here, and use a little bit move. So this is easy now, and use this key now to tight this antenna ring nut here, and this is tight now, and push this volume knob here, and this one is here, push a little bit. Now check this radio is ready, and check this radio with the power supply, and must use the 7.4 volts, and this side, this one is the positive side and this one is the negative, and attach with this radio and switch on this radio, and as you can see, I press this squelch button. Now you can listen a voice and check this radio with an other radio. Hello, 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 hello. So this radio is working now. So this is the video of the day. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. You can also follow us now on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and also on the TikTok. Keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz.